Welcome to the AIM Insight e-training series presented by AIM Sports, providing support and training for your AIM Sports products when and where you want it. This module is explaining the exporting tests function in RaceStudio 2. One of the most powerful tools available to you while analyzing data in RaceStudio 2 is the ability to compare your laps with others. If the other data was downloaded onto another computer, you will need to export the data off of one computer in order to import it onto another. RaceStudio 2 gives you an easy-to-use function for this task. Importing the data is covered in a separate video. To export one or more tests, it is best to have all of your RaceStudio tests closed, but this is not mandatory. From the test database in Lap Manager, in this example we are going to export 3 tests. First, select the D-AWIDA June 4th Practice 2 test. Then hold down your Shift key and select the D-AWIDA Practice 1 test. By holding and clicking on the third test, all tests between the 2 tests you have clicked on will be selected. Great. Now that we have selected the 3 tests we want to export, click on the Export Test button. After clicking on the Export Test button, this Browse for Folder window will open. The software needs to know where we want to store the folder it will be generating with the 3 exported tests. In this case, we will be saving it directly to the desktop so it will be easy to find. So just double-click on the desktop area in the directory structure. Then click on the OK button. Perfect, you have now stored the folder. RaceStudio 2 opens this window, letting you know that the process is complete, as well as the name of the generated folder. In this case, the folder is named AIM 2011 08 31 10 34 18, and this is not a random number. The folder name is broke down to the date and time you exported the tests. The 2011 08 31 is the date, in this case August 31st, 2011, and the 10:34:18 is the hour, minutes, and seconds based on your computer's time. In this case, it was 10:34 and 18 seconds when the folder was created. If this naming structure does not work well for you, you can always just rename the folder to suit your needs. When finished reviewing this window, click on the OK button. And that is how you export files from RaceStudio 2. A quick note. If you download just a single test, the files related to that test are stored where you direct the software without generating a file folder. A file folder is generated only when exporting 2 or more tests. For more AIM Insight e-training content and information about upcoming on-site training seminars, please visit www.aimsports.com/support, your source for support and training of AIM Sports products when and where you want it.